How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Let's talk about on how we can get the QuickBooks Proadvisor certificate. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Google and search for the Become a Certified Proadvisor QuickBooks Innovate. You then want to navigate through the official result of QuickBooks, which is going to be Become a Certified Proadvisor. So simply click on it, and here the Proadvisor certification will show that you are a professional. QuickBooks certification expands your skill and gives you opportunity to grow as an accountant. So to simply proceed, of course, just click on the Get Started button. It will then ask you to sign in your account. And basically, right after entering your account, you will be prompted to multiple questionnaires, so just answer it. And after a couple of seconds, hours, or days, you will then be approved and receive an email on the email address that you have inserted. And so, guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.